How to fix OBS Studio no source selected or not showing. In this tutorial, you will learn how to resolve the no source selected or not showing issue in OBS Studio. This common problem can prevent your scenes from displaying correctly during live streams or recordings. We will walk through the necessary steps to check your capture settings and ensure your resources are set up properly. So let's get started. So first, open the OBS app. As you can see, mine is already open. While we are in the OBS app, click the Add button in the Sources section. The menu appears. It's up to you on what type you want to record. For example, you want to record a specific window, so I will click Windows Capture. From here, you can rename your window capture if you want to. After renaming your window capture, click the OK button so that we can proceed. From here, there is the window section. So click the option box in the window section to choose the specific window you want to record. As you can see, there are choices of specific windows you want to record. If you click one of them, it will appear on your OBS. After you choose a specific window, click the OK button. Same as the game capture. So let's click the Add button again in the Sources section. The menu appears. Just click the game capture option so that we can proceed. From here, same tutorial as I showed you earlier, so I'll go directly to another step. From here, if you want to record a specific window in game capture, just click the option box in Mode section to make the option appear. The option appears. Just click the Capture Specific Window option in the Mode section. As you can see, the Window section appeared below the Mode section. Just click the option box in the Window section to choose the specific window you want to record. As you can see, the choices appeared. After you choose a specific window, click the OK button to finish the setup. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the no source selected or not showing issue in OBS Studio. Always verify your scene and source configurations and troubleshoot common issues as needed. If problems persist, consider checking online forums or the OBS support community for additional help. Happy streaming!